Hi, and a huge welcome to our smart reseller community, and welcome to another That's a Smart Idea, the weekly 1-minute video, which, come on guys, you know the score by now, it never lasts a minute, where we here at Smart help you, our smart reseller community, sell more smart boards into your business customers and add value to your smart business proposition. So today I am at the offices of Opex-Digital. Opex-Digital are one of our software partners in the manufacturing market sector, and I've been joined by the CEO, Dave Powell. Hi Dave, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
Good to see you. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Well, you've been on these a few times, haven't you?
It's fifth time now, is it?
Fifth time, yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we'll talk about that at the end We'll talk about that at the end. So, Dave, the reason why I've got you on today is we're actually seeing lots of interest with the product into our manufacturing customers right now. It's worth you mentioning that you're constantly evolving the product, and I think you've been listening to a lot of what our manufacturing customers are saying, and they're starting to ask you about more complex dashboards and things like that. So you've done some updates recently that you probably want to speak to people about maybe more that gives more interaction on the board. So I'll hand over to you on that one, Dave.
Yeah, sure. So as we can see now, Colin, traditionally this was an educational tool about driving general continuous improvements across the business. But over the years, and basically traditionally, currently we've been getting a lot of requests for dashboards to be input from other systems.
Right.
So we have a general outlook on the business. If we enter a display mode function, this is one of our drivers for making improvements on the shop floor. It's what we call safety, quality, cost, delivery, people. It's about shop floor management. Yeah. And we could have a high level display of any levels of data. However, we do get a lot of requests from companies to say, well, can that feed in from our ERP system or from our HR department's information?
Yeah. Like so Power BI, that type of thing.
Exactly,
yeah.
Exactly. So we said, okay, well, we don't really want people to be dropping out of the system and go into other softwares, because it just creates that extra element of confusion. So we give them the ability now to embed their information through an iframe within our own system.
Right,
and to do that, it's really simple. You can see, that's embedded from a warehouse situation from an ERP system. And to do that, all we do is suggest a setting, and they just put their URL in, and that's it. And it's as simple as that, and that'll start displaying. That then gives us the ability to do our brainstorming, of course, about what's the status, what's going on, ask all the questions, and then we can drop back into our current processes.
Sure.
To look at the enablers to solve those problems.
Okay, and I was quite interested because obviously I know when we talk about things like safety, quality, delivery, when you have that display mode, a lot of people were asking you that they might want to drill down a little bit into that as well, weren't they? So I don't know if that's something you can show on here as well, Dave.
So when we're looking at absolutely safety, quality, cost, delivery, we can actually embed our own graphs in there, and we've got a selection of different graphs you can take. But again, this is all about your own personal preference about what you measure. Yeah. So if you can't influence it, why are you measuring it? That's a key message.
Things like safety, quality, you can update those in terms of colours, because you see a lot on production line where they've got colours in there, haven't they?
So traditionally, these would be completed by hand.
Yeah.
So
a lot of it's paper based, isn't it?
Paper based, felt pens. Yeah. They become dog-eared, they disappear, they blow away with the wind when the doors are open.
Yeah. So like the weather outside.
Exactly today it's all. So if we look at the SQCDP, it's a judgment. So okay, safety-wise, for example, today have we had an accident-free day? Yeah, we're on target. Okay. Yeah. And that's it. So we just then play this process, and there we go.
And it's updated.
And it's as simple as that. So our tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 management processes can all exist within the dashboard.
And of course you can use things like Smart Ink when you're raising actions right on there and stuff like that.
So let's say we've got a quality issue. Yeah, we can pause. Okay, we can select, we can say off target. Yeah, press play. We've got a quality issue. However, we might want to escalate from that point now. So we go create, we create an action. Yeah. We can type in the quality, and we can use the pen, the power of the pen.
Yeah, or we can use the keyboard as well. It's there as well for you.
Got all these options, so we can either use the pen, do handwriting recognition, help. Okay, that can be dropped in. And again, then we just allocate it to people within the team or to a department, set a due date, do whatever we need.
And tracks it.
And then we tracks it. and that's it. And that gets emailed out to any person within the business, to their Outlook account, as well as internally within the application.
Well, thanks for that, Dave. Really appreciate your time today. If resellers are looking to reach out to you, how do they get hold of you right now?
Yeah, you can contact us directly via our website, which is www.opex-digital.com, and just go to the contact us form.
Okay. And what type of companies are you talking to right now, just to let our resellers know the type of organisations you're working with right now?
We're working with all industry sectors: aerospace, automotive,
food manufacturing,
oil and gas,
yeah.
and also diverse in businesses from that, i.e. hospitality and even healthcare.
So anywhere where, and there's a lot of dashboards in healthcare, anywhere there's dashboards and they're doing those lean processes, that's where you're
exactly. Wherever there's a process and there's an opportunity for improvement, these systems can be put digital.
I really would say to you, if you're a reseller watching this and you're talking to manufacturing right now, and you might be talking to them about their meeting rooms, you might be missing an opportunity to put this equipment like smart boards and Mass Opex-Digital software into the shop floor, and it will actually increase your sales. So it's definitely worth doing. So I've got one final thing to do before I finish up today. So Dave, as we mentioned at the top of the video, this is your 5th appearance. So you'll know that if you've been on the show 5 times, you do get this. So here is your mug. So
and probably like a little birthday present as well.
It is, yes, and it's Dave's birthday today, so happy birthday, Dave.
Oh, here we go, number 5.
Yeah,
perfect.
so Dave's 5th appearance. Now, Dave, it is decorative. So hand wash only. It's not suitable for the dishwasher. But thanks for appearing on That's a Smart Idea. I know we're gonna see you quite a lot in the future.
Yeah.
So really thanks for your support and
thanks for your support, guys. We work well together.
Yeah, I think Smarts are really happy to work with you guys, because we are seeing quite a lot of interest in this as well. So just a big thank you to our resellers at the moment. Carry on with your inquiries about the MX and the QX. We're really seeing some great traction on that at the moment. So until the next time, thank you, Dave. Thanks for appearing. And that's been a Smart Idea. Thank you.